so let's get right into it since we're all woken up and shit. Alright, so yeah, today we're gonna be making coffee from Parlor. This is their Burundi Gaharo, and shit is fire. So we're gonna set that right there. I think I'm gonna go with the Kalita today, just so I can I haven't used this one in a minute. Let me put this up. What the fuck? Alright, so other than that, we're gonna grab our filter. And then we're gonna grab our grinder. Our kettle here. Oh, this is scary. And my cup's already here. We're just gonna warm that up some more. Alright, to be honest, I don't know how I'm gonna do this all, one-handed and shit. So, let's put that over there. Let's run some hot water through this. Alright, cool. We'll leave that there for now, warm it up. Oh, the scale. Alright, so first things first, let's turn on our scale first. Grab our grinder. Alright, so again, like I was saying, our coffee is from Parlor. Super cool people, man. Love those guys. So here's the bag. Beautiful packaging. Oh, while we're on this topic, this bag is actually made from a sugarcane-based polyethylene. And the reason why I nerd about this so much is because I learned about polyethylene or PE. And I did more on high-density polyethylene and ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene. And it goes on and on. But it's cool to see that because it's like it's recyclable and shit, and it's a thermoplastic, so you can reshape it and reuse it, and it's cool to see that. And it's sugarcane based. It's dope. Yeah. So what was I doing? Yeah, I was waiting this out. Oh gosh, sorry. Corona. I'm just kidding. So yeah, I do that McCarthy kind of style. I'm gonna do 24 grams in. Cool. Alright, so I already got my grinder set up and shit, but alright, so once I got my coffee grounds, I like to blow out the little, oh my god, that smells great. I like to blow out the little chaff in there and make sure it's all clean. So we got most of it out. I think I'm gonna be good with this. Alright, so usually I use the app, cause god damn it. Yeah, so like I was saying, I usually use the app and shit for this. But I obviously can't because I'm recording on my phone anyways. So we grab our Kalita here, and let me just talk about this for a real quick second, not too long. This is actually Kevin's. This ain't even mine, this is Kevin's, and it is the most beautiful piece I have ever seen. Like, if you look at the glaze on this shit, oh, you can't really see it on the camera. No. He was kind enough to leave it with me and trust me with it. while he's in Japan. So greatly appreciate that shit. But yeah, so we're gonna grab our filter and, you know, just fucking throw that bitch on top. And we're gonna pre-wet that filter. Oh yeah, beautiful. Yeah, dude, this thing is dope. So yeah, grab that hoe, put that hoe right there. Gently, guys. This thing's goddamn ceramic. I'm gonna go to my restroom and dump this shit. Alright. Bring this little boy back. Cool. Sorry, OCD. So we're gonna weigh out 26.5 grams. Grab our coffee, or what the hell? Grab our water. And I'm going to bloom this hoe for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do about 50 grams. Oh shit, it's hard watching both, but yeah, we're gonna give this some time. And oh man, it smells so good. I got distracted. So what I normally do, I do a 1/16 ratio, and I usually bring the grounds bed up a little bit. I'll let that go down real quick. And now we wait a couple seconds. I like giving it a little stir. Right around the 3-minute mark, we are finished. I'm gonna bring this over here. I'll throw the grounds out real quick. Sorry, I have a habit of washing the stuff right when I do it. But yeah, so coffee is now done. Now we get our cup and enjoy. So after I've had a good cup by itself, like tasting it by itself, and what do I want to smoke? Grab a nice little cigar. You know, for video purposes. Davidoff Houston. So I bring this one over here. Grab my little cutter and lighter. I'll go outside to enjoy this.